Good morning, guys. It is a brand new day and I am back at working. We've got Oliver over there chilling on the floor watching Polar Express. And
I'm playing my choo-choo twin.
He's playing with his choo-choo.
Lola choo-choo twin. I meant Lola choo-choo twin.
Oh, okay. I just got done working on our menu for the week. I always try to plan out our food for the entire week, and then I buy our groceries 1 week at a time. And so this is what I've got. Actually, I think it's going to be backwards, but let me just check here. All right, so this is what we've got. So for Monday, we'll be having pork patty burgers with tater tots. Tuesday, we're having walking tacos. Wednesday, we're having flat iron steak with Brussels sprouts and carrots. Thursday, chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes and corn. Friday, we're going to be doing make your own pizza. Saturday, we are going to be having ham, cream cheese, and cucumber roll-ups for lunch. And then for dinner, I'm going to be doing that sheet pan Thai salmon. I had to switch those days. And then Sunday for lunch, we're having ham and Swiss sliders. And then for dinner, we're really not doing anything on Sunday because it's the Super Bowl. So we'll probably be like snacking on a bunch of stuff. Like I'm going to make some ceviche and got some drinks, got some chips, got a bunch of snacks, things like that. And then you can see here, because I work so many hours and I'm like so crazy busy, I order everything online. So like you can see like my whole list here, all my ingredients and things that I need that I ordered for the week. And then they literally like pack it all up for me. And then they have it ready and I will go and I'll pick it up on my lunch. So the kids are at school. Last night was great. Everything went good yesterday. Kids had a blast, slept really good. And so now the shenanigans begin and continue. So we will be checking in with you guys a little bit later. Michaela and Jasmine head off to their bio mom's house today. And then everybody else is with us. And so yeah, I'm hoping that the girls will still be here in time to make their own pizza thing. But if not, then oh well. But I'm going to try to do it early so that they can eat with us.
Mommy, I'm gonna go poop.
Okay, buddy.
If we be in here?
Be in there?
Yeah, because that. I told the bar like and I kick it and wait, I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. Alright guys, well we'll talk to you in a little bit. He's got to go to the potty and we'll be checking in with you guys a little bit later. Talk to you soon. Yes, can I please get a tall iced white chocolate mocha with caramel at the bottom around the cup and then on top of the whipped cream, please?
Okay. Anything else for you?
Nope, I think that should be good.
Alright, we'll see you up here.
Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm going to enjoy my drink. I'm going to go run my errands. I'll probably touch back with you when I am at Walmart getting the groceries. That should be fun. And I always feel like super good getting groceries. Just because like it makes me feel accomplished in the sense that like I know I have food in the house. I know there's like I have a plan. I don't have to like stress out about what I'm going to make. And that's what I was doing before. And it's just, I don't know, it's a lot better. It works out better, especially for like a big family that's like super busy like ours. So, alright guys, well I'll talk to you soon, and I hope everyone's having a great day so far. I'll be right back. So, I seriously used to be one of those people that would like talk crap about people who did like the grocery pickup or whatever. Until I became one, because I was always like, well, how lame is that? You guys are too lazy to go grocery shopping. Like, at least you get out and get some exercise and whatever. Well, boy, did karma kick me in the butt, because now I'm one of those people. And on a weekly basis, I will order the groceries through Walmart.com and then do the grocery pickup. And they shop for everything for me, and they come out, they bring it to my car, load it in my car, And that's pretty much it. And it's been so helpful. Just, you guys, I will never talk crap about anybody like that again, because it's just so beneficial. So I am here. I am waiting in the Walmart parking lot for my groceries. The guy already came to my window, got my information, and hopefully he'll be bringing them out shortly. I should probably empty my trunk, so let's go do that real quick. I have a bunch of stuff in here. We've got all kinds of crap in here. My kids' wonderful clothes in the car.
Okay. So
We got Jasmine.
I just got out from school and I just had gin. So we did the team pacer. We made it to 105 as a team. And now my legs hurt so bad. So yeah, now we're driving home. I'm so glad that I don't have any homework. Oh, oops.
It's Friday.
Oh yes.
Woo.
No school for a whole 2 days. Oh, and volleyball tomorrow.
Oh yeah. I'm taking you guys to Selena's house tonight.
What time?
I'm gonna have you there by 7. Just
Okay.
because we're making personal pizzas tonight.
Oh, those are good.
And I wanted you guys to participate in that, so she said that if I can drop you guys off, like so that I could keep you for a little bit longer,
Yeah.
then she'll drop you guys off at our house on Sunday at like 7. I'm sure everyone enjoys looking at the roof. Alright guys, well, we're gonna go home and I'm gonna go back to work and check the kids' chores and homework, and I think Jonathan's awake too. Actually, I know he's awake because he called me while I was in Walmart. And then we will continue our day. Hope all you guys are having a good day, and we'll talk to you later. So we are back. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I spent approximately $190. And this is everything that we got. Now keep in mind, we are a family of 8, and this is 1 week's worth of food for us. So this is kind of everything that we paid for. I need to get some more of this because I thought it was going to be bigger, but I guess it wasn't. That. Got some buns.
Is Francesca available for an appointment?
All of this. This is for tonight's dinner. Ollie!
Oh,
Shh.
you need a little
What time is she
Oliver?
available tomorrow?
Everybody see this little snotty baby?
Mm. Not me.
Okay, so all of this we got.
Ooh.
This. All of this.
Oh my god. I want banana.
Hey,
I want banana.
All of this.
Mommy, I want banana.
hold on a second.
I want
Amber,
banana.
Yeah.
Are we available to
Pull-ups.
I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow at
Hey, boy. Boy.
Hey, boy.
Do it. Boy. I can't do it. Got it. I love bananas. Bananas. Bananas.
Oh my god, Michaela!
Alright, so we've got the kids here and we are going to be making personal pizzas tonight. And so I thought I'd get some of that on camera. If you guys want to go ahead and start, we'll kind of go around. Henry's on his way home. He's coming back from physical therapy. No, Oliver, don't lick it. You gotta spread it. Can you get him a spoon or a knife, please? Thank you.
You guys spread it with
Spread it around, bud.
like this. I'm doing it.
You're doing a great job.
Wait, Mommy, did you also buy pepperoni? So yes. Now what do we do? You put cheese.
Go ahead and open the cheese.
I like extra tomato sauce. Oh, do you need help?
I'll divvy it out. Here, grab this.
DVD out. Okay. Go like that.
Pizzas. There's one for Dad, Mom, and Henry.
Mine.
Got the cheese going.
Me.
Hold on, let me spread this out a little bit, bud. There we go. Okay, can you go put that in the sink, please?
Hi, my friends. Making pizzas?
Yeah, we're making pizzas.
Come on.
So we can eat it for dinner.
Hey, you guys like my new feet protectors?
Grace, you're weird. Ready for your cheese? No?
Yeah. Now.
What are you doing?
Zay just texted you.
Okay, well, are you still recording?
Yep.
Yeah, just ignore them. They won't interfere.
Okay.
Mommy, their therapy hasn't even started.
Yes, it has.
Both of you.
Alright, so we're gonna take a break and then I am going to get them situated with the other toppings.
Onion in the fridge.
You want bacon?
Will you stop?
Okay.
What do you got on there, bud?
Say sausage and pepperoni.
Oh, that
and
looks so
bacon.
cute. Ew. Look what he did. Nasty.
This.
Let's take a look at yours. Looks good.
I put 10.
Jasmine's, that looks good.
Wait.
Very good. Whose is this? Oh, Grace.
Oh my gosh.
Got some more stuff coming. We got some peppers, some
She's down
onion.
She's down there.
All right, so Isaiah is back / Henry, and he is making his pizza.
And we're trying to find out what happened with his girlfriend.
This is mine. It's Jasmine's. We got Daddy over here cutting up some onions for us. That's probably enough.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. 1 second.
Hello,
I gotta
guys.
show
Hello. It is I, Maximo.
Ooh, that's too much. Same clothes for the past 2 days now? 3 days?
them. No, 2 days. I think some. It's easier.
So everybody knows these are his jammies, and he just
Don't
woke up. So.
even.
I just wanted to show this.
Oh my God.
What is it?
You guys, he was like 4 in that picture.
It's raining.
That looks good. That's a lot of pepperoni.
Don't worry.
Are you gonna come do yours, Daddy?
Eventually.
Or do you want me to do yours?
I see it does
you
not.
get your mind. Isaiah, that's enough.
Seriously, you want me to do
Isaiah.
yours?
Yeah.
Did I just hit you in the head with that?
Isaiah,
Yeah.
that's enough. I don't have any left for me.
Yeah, you do.
Barely.
It's like 3 stacks.
You look so cute. Hey, I found that yellow thing. You should see if you can
All right,
still
put
fit
this
it.
in the trash, please.
Trash.
I mean the sink. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it.
Well, now we know what happens to all our
Dishes.
missing stuff. So where's my pizza?
Right here.
Okay, hold on. No, that goes on like after.
Isaiah, are you done with yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we have bacon?
The bacon is in there.
Wait, so can I take a video of the...
You're supposed to put cheese on.
I will put cheese on. I know how to make.
Ollie, please stop.
Sorry, my...
Stop.
You're annoying.
That is so.
He just fell in the laundry basket. Get out.
You need a bath, dude.
I should be helping him, but instead I'm sitting here laughing.
You're a good parent, don't you? Wow.
Wow. Oh my God. You got put in the dirty laundry. Jasmine's dirty laundry.
That's awesome. We're supposed to save any of this?
Woosah. That's no, it's fine. You can have the rest of that bag. Wow.
Guys, physical therapy sucks.
Let's rephrase that. How about physical therapy sucks, but you're grateful that those people got an education and take their time to make you better?
So you don't have to waddle
Yeah.
like a penguin. Prove my point. Come on.
You're mean. Just so you guys know, so Isaiah has a...
It's not his fault.
It's
Well,
not his
sort of.
fault. So he was born with a... What do we call
Half
it?
a brain?
No.
Oh, no,
Ehlers
you didn't want them.
It's called... It's. I don't want to say disease because it's not a disease.
Mommy.
It's what do we call it?
You're a disease.
Daddy is
Well,
terrible.
at least Mama
Anyways,
didn't say you were an accident.
okay. So he has something called syndrome. So he has Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, which
Syndrome.
means that like his bones and his muscles are super like they just don't form the way they should have.
Except I could do something like this.
Yeah, so he's like double jointed, and that's disgusting. Stop. And he is easily broken. Like he breaks his bones really easily. It takes him a
broke
long
his.
time to heal. It takes him like it's hard for him to walk. Sometimes he kind of walks crooked, which is why he's in physical therapy because we're trying to fix that issue. He was born that way. That he has no control over it. For those of you who don't know, he also, you would never guess it, well maybe once you get to know him better, but he also suffers from autism. He has Asperger's. He's not ashamed of it. And then he's ADHD as well. So he's got a kid with a lot of going on, but he kind of triumphs over it day by day. So
I'm ashamed.
Oh my God! I put onions on your thing. Since,
I didn't know what that
since you
word
weren't right here.
oh my gosh, Jonathan.
Look at her face.
Today I'm...
That is not funny.
Okay, guys.
What?
Guys, today
Stop,
I'm
what are
going
you
to try
doing?
to show you guys my gasoline.
It's gonna spill all over you.
Okay?
Stop.
Okay.
Hey guys, it is Dad.
Really?
Yes. And
Yeah, we're gonna.
he wants to show you guys something pretty awesome.
Really.
Okay. So, that's pretty. So we have a train horn.
The air tank's not filled up all the way. But
We're working on it. Okay, bye-bye, guys.
All right, guys. So we've got these pizzas cooking. We've got some done already. We've put our second batch in there. They're so cute. We've got some that are done, and then we got one left. That is Isaiah's because he did his last. Let's see how these turned out. It's Grace. Super cute. They're like the size of a little plate. Ollie's. Michaela's. And so they are making their way. The kids are outside playing right now.
Okay, so Mom, which is Amber, she's driving right now. So we're going to our birth mom's house. And so we're like right here. We're about to pull up. So yeah. Here we are.
I'm on the wrong street.
No, you're
right here.
Did I miss it?
Yeah, you have to back up a little bit.
I can't see at night, guys.
So,
This is it right here.
right there, yeah.
Her car's not here.
She's probably gone because usually she like goes to like the store or whatever. But Maricela and Big Pedro are like always there unless
Here you
they
go.
go to the. Bye bye. Bye guys.
See We will see.
I'm
you
out
later.
of here.
Well, tomorrow at my volleyball game.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Michaela.
Have a good
Don't lose any of your stuff. Remember what I said, positivity.
Yes. Bye-bye.
You got all your stuff?
Yep. All right. Bye.
Bye. And they're going. And they're going. And they're gone. We're back, guys, and it is the end of the day. I'm about to start my second shift and put the kids to bed and all that good stuff. I just wanted to say thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot less long than the other one. And we hope you guys all had a great day. Grace says hi. We love you guys so much. Just make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button if you want to keep hearing from us. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.